Build it right, be safe, be competent. I check out my table saw and I arrived at the new construction site. First thing I do is test it. Blade is stopped. That's the cut I just made. Turn this 180, and wow, the blade was off that far. Admit I forgot to turn the blade till it hit the mechanical stop, which I've set in the past. I make the second test cut. There's the cut I made. Rotate this 180. And that's exactly what I expected. The blade is now perpendicular to the table. But I noticed by looking down, the miter's off. This guy. So, in the next video, I'll show you how to adjust the miter. Check your equipment before you start construction. Have a good day. Thank you. Please subscribe.